It's a beautiful day in paradise. It is day 2. We just got dressed. We kind of slept in today, so we missed breakfast. But we are about to get ready and go find something to eat. Maybe go get some jerk chicken and walk around the resort and see what we could find. I showed you guys that the lazy river outside of our room. So one day we're going to do that. I don't know if it's going to be today. And there's the bar down there as well. So we're about to get our day started and go find some food because we are very hungry. And we'll be back. So we just had some jerk chicken and some potatoes. It was really, really good. It wasn't a lot, but it was good. So we're eating lunch in the Privilege Lounge. They're doing really, really good with their COVID protocols. They made us sanitize our hands when we walked in the door. They took our temperatures, and they won't let us sit near anybody. As you can see, there's nobody sitting near us whatsoever. Thank you. And the service is really good as well. So we're waiting for our food to come. We got some drinks going on. I had a drink, but I kind of drunk it. Yeah. So we are getting ready to walk to the spa to make our appointment for our full body massages that we want to get at the end of our vacation. We always try to do like a massage to relax and regroup before we travel. So we are about to head into the spa right now. This is the entrance to the spa. So we're about to go in here and see how much it costs and what they have available. This is the fitness center that we're going into right now. It's empty, nobody is in here, but they do have a full workout center available right now. So this is all the restaurants they have that are together. There's Martha's Market, Route 66, La Laconda, Sugar Cane, and this is the sports bar that we're heading into right now. Oh, and the Indian restaurant is also down there. This is where they had the celebration yesterday for New Year's, as you can see. So I don't know if the resort was always set up this way or if they just made changes due to COVID precautions, but like all of the restaurants have outside seating, so they're all spaced apart. All the chairs are spaced apart. Nothing is together, which is perfect for us because we don't really want to be around people. So yeah, all the seating, and even if the tables are together, they won't let you sit next to somebody if somebody else is already sitting down. So that's pretty cool. Oh, here is the gaming, which is the casino, the theater, and I believe the bowling alley is over here somewhere too. We haven't gotten to that yet, but that is the casino. So the resort is pretty big. It's pretty spacious. It's enough room for everybody to space out. So this is the coffee shop that they have. They have different delectables, muffins. Oh, they even have little sandwiches down here. Okay. And you can get coffee and tea made. So we are back at the lobby bar with more
You already know.
Bob Marley shots.
We be recording so much because we don't be remembering nothing while we here.
Gotta get footage.
Bruh. That was the longest shot I ever took in my life.
That was a double shot.
No, that's one shot.
It was so big.
I'm gonna feel like, am I still gulping?
Right, I'm like, that was so big.
Woo. Woo. Okay,
My chest burning.
bruh. This ain't no one shot.
Probably not. But my chest burning, it's already so hot. So hot.
She's so beautiful, guys. I see how she's on.
You was irritated.
Ooh.
So it's dinner time. We just showered and got dressed. We have reservations for the Italian restaurant tonight. So we are about to head over and walk. It's kind of on the other side of the resort, so we're about to head on over right now. Our reservations for 8:30. It's like 8:20. So we're probably a little late, but it's okay. We'll be right on time.
Happy New Year, everybody.
So it is day 3. We just got dressed. We had room service for breakfast. It wasn't the best breakfast we ever had, so we probably will grab something else to eat. But today we're gonna do pool and beach. So we got our swimwear on.
Yeah, ma.
We're about to go explore the pools, the beach, lazy river, all that good stuff. So this is the water park. It's filled with water slides and things for the kids. It also has some cabanas over there for adults. There's pool chairs all around. There's another pool over here, another bar over here, as you can see. to check out. So I'll let you guys know how that experience is shortly. Lazy river flow. Alright y'all, this is the only way to get through this part of the lazy river, so we ain't got no choice but to go under. Here we go, y'all. I just lost my earring in the lazy river, y'all. And the current is too strong for me to go back and get it. It just keeps pushing me the opposite way. So, there's that.
Cheers to you, cheers to me.
Yes.
Great friends we should be.
Yes.
If ever we disagree, fuck you and cheers to me.
Woo, okay. That was good too. Okay. For it, and it's here. The moment has arrived. Y'all boy is drunk and dancing in the pool, fully clothed. Here you go, y'all. Look at him. Somebody look at it. So we are at the Privilege Lounge for dinner on day 3. They gave us a coupon for a lobster meal for staying 5 or more days. So there was a bit of a mix-up because the people at the privilege desk were telling us we could use it whenever we wanted to use it, just pick a day. So when we got here today, they was like, no, you have to use it on your fourth night, which is our 3rd night. And tomorrow we have excursions booked all day, so we probably won't even be here during dinner time. But they made an exception and let us use it today. The one thing I can say is if we've had any mix-ups while we've been here, they have been very accommodating with figuring out what it is and giving us whatever it is that we're asked for or what we're trying to do. So we haven't had any problems in that regard. They probably need to just sharpen their skills between the restaurant and the concierge desk because they're not really familiar with what each other is doing. So she's like, no, you can't use it till after 4 that nights, and she's like, you can use it whenever you want to use it. So they probably need to sharpen up that part, but other than that, it was like no big deal for us. The other thing that I can say is that we have a butler that comes with our room, but we met him on day 2 and he was like, his phone is broke, so he doesn't have a way to get in contact with us, and we don't have a way to get in contact with him. So we seen him today in passing just because we were walking around and we seen him, and he was like, oh, well, I don't have a phone still. I'm so sorry. I'm going to check on y'all in the morning. And we were like, we're not going to be here in the morning. And he was like, okay, well, I'm going to come Monday morning, or y'all can just find me walking around. We're like, how are we going to find you walking around the resort? So, yeah, that's something else that they need to work on because if we were really bickery people, that would be a problem that we have a butler that we don't get to utilize because we don't have a way to contact him whatsoever. But we haven't also needed him, so it hasn't really been that big of a deal as well. So, yep, we're going to finish enjoying our dinner here at the Privilege Lounge. I'll let you guys see what that dinner looks like as well. I'm not taking you almost anywhere. What's this remix? So you really went and made 6 cold shots.
Yeah, just for you. Just for you.
Oh my God. So we were outside sitting on a little bench while they have like the little club going on outside, and we wanted some food, so we were about to order room service, and we just happened to ask one of the workers that was walking past, like, what's open this late? And he told us that the Route 66 restaurant is open till like 6 o'clock in the morning. We've been here like 3 days and didn't even know that. So they sell like burgers, fries, chicken, hot dogs, chicken nuggets, that type of stuff this late. So we're about to grab some wings before we head back to the room to prepare for our day tomorrow.